Hello, my name is Caroline and welcome to Rhyme Time with Moreton Bay Libraries. Today we'll begin with our acknowledgement of country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby gubby people ningy ningy dialect ground. Now we will begin with our welcome songs. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, and a great big hug to say hello. Our first rhyme involves a spider. This spider's a friendly spider, not a scary spider, and I think you'll know the rhyme. Are you ready to sing with me? Incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. That was great. Give yourself a clap. Thank you. We'll say bye-bye, Incy. Our next song has a frog, and this is one of my favourites. Are you ready? Da-glump went the little green frog one day. Da-glump went the little green frog. Da-glump went the little green frog one day, and the frog went glum, glum, glum. But we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go glum, glum, glum. Yay! Give yourself a clap. Well done. We'll say bye-bye to the froggy. This is another one of my favourites. You ready with your twinkly fingers? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And now it's already time for our goodbye songs. So, a tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, and a great big hug to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon, see you another day. Thank you so much for joining us today. Bye bye.